Hello, my name is Grizelty Pinaya from BSN2C and I'm going to perform backstroke. So for this video, I'm going to show you the basics of the backstroke, including the body positioning, the arm movements, leg kicks, and lastly the breathing techniques. For body positioning, you just need to float on your back with the body relaxed and straight, like this. Arm movement. So you'll just need to do like this. So for leg kicks, you will do the flutter kicks like this. Lastly, for breathing techniques, you need to breathe normally without tension. So now, I'll show you the outcome of backstroke. Breathe with your heart, not just your arms. Thank you.